How to change theme in Shopify, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change theme in Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here. This is our main admin. Here we can change the theme for our store that we have. For that, we're going to navigate to the sales channel here and click on online store. Under online store, you will find themes. It will open up the theme that you have for your store. You can see this is the current theme that we have selected. And then if I scroll down a little bit, I will be able to show you that we have our theme gallery available on Shopify. So this is the theme that I have right now. And I can customize it if I want. I can edit it, I can rename it, or I can scroll down to select another theme. This is the one that I have right now. I can select this one, click on add, and the theme will be selected. This way, we can actually go ahead and change our theme right here on Shopify. Once you have selected and added a theme to your library, click on publish and your theme will be automatically changed with the one that you already have right here. This is how you change theme on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.